Hey guys, now we'll see how to build custom error pages in Next.js and also how to redirect from there after a few seconds or maybe by clicking a button to like go back to home page. So let's go for it. So you can see we have pages. So we have home page, about page. Oh, my is yeah, it's not running guys, sorry. So we got about page, we got home page. But the problem is uh I mean, if someone write like this wrong route, it's going to 404. The page could not be found. Okay, we have a navbar in the top because I have already told you in the underscore app.js I have globally made the navbar available. But I want to build a custom one because how do I do? Because I don't want to show this user. Okay, so how can I make? So because here you can see there is no way I can make. So what we do, we just make a new file 404.js. That's it. Now instead of, now whenever you write a wrong route, it will redirect to this page 404.js. Make sure the name is correct. So you can see rfce, and I can, instead of 404, I can just make this as an error page. Save it. Now every time you go here any wrong route, you will get an error page. So let me just redesign it a little bit. H1, and I will put in center, and this will be also an H1. See, we got an error page, and here we can just say page not found, or whatever you wanna write. I mean, it's your wish. Error page, page not found. It's like that. So whenever you write a long route, it will come here. So I want to go to slash company. Not present. If I want to go from here, these pages are currently working fine. But if I write the wrong route, it will end up here. But I want to give a user a button, so here he can click in between, go to main page. Okay, like that. Maybe the index page. So this was our index page. Go to index page. So for that, we can just create a button. I can just put this in span. Okay, closing. Now put a br tag. Now I'll make a button which will say go back to main page. Okay guys, now if I go to any other route, it will show me go back to main page, but it's not working still. So what we'll do, we'll say on click button, on click. So you already know like React.js I think, and here I just say console.log button got clicked. Okay, let me make a little smaller. Yeah, button got clicked. Now if I come here, go to inspect element console, and if I make it okay, it's be yeah, if I click here, see button got clicked. So we are clicking button on click event. Now we'll say here, we'll import router. You already know router. Import use router from next slash router. Okay, now here we'll create an instance of it. We'll say constant router, we'll say use router. Okay, normal. Now here we'll say router dot push. So what this push means? Push means I am telling to router to put a URL here. Okay, so I'll say slash, that's it. Okay, and if I save it, now you can just close that, go to main page. See, it's going to main page directly. If I write it slash maybe about, it will go to about page. See, so whatever you will write, it will go to slash that. But you want to make it go to any other website, just write that https://google.com, save it, and you are redirected to google.com. Okay, so and if you want to go to main page, just push the single slash. See, currently working fine. But instead of this push, we'll make something called a function, and we'll say handle click. Okay, now this click will, what it will do, this click will just copy this part, cut it, this click will do the same stuff. Okay, now we have to call the function which will be called handle click. Okay, so instead of writing here, we are just calling a function, so that will be pretty much easy. Oh sorry guys, it will be like constant handle click. Yeah, so now if I go to main page, handle click router.push, it's not working guys, I don't know, let me check. Okay, I have to do, yeah, see, now it's going perfectly fine. So whenever you go to a wrong route, so this was my route, if I go to back to main page, I can just go easily to any page. Okay, now suppose a user came here, but he's doesn't want to click and want to go away. We have to redirect them after like 5 seconds after reading this error page not found, go back to main page. Like 5 seconds are enough, and I want to redirect the user after 5 seconds. So what I'll do, I'll say import use effect. Now we'll just make a use effect stuff. You'll say use effect, and it will run only once, and I'll say set timeout, and here I'll just say router dot push to index page, and the timeline will be like around I will say 5 seconds, after 5 seconds. And there's so much of hosh posh came here, bro. Then this then we want to close this, then comma, then 5000 second. Yeah, so now I have a put a set timeout. After 5 seconds automatically this will be pushed. Okay, so let's just see. Okay, so if I go back to this route, any wrong route, we'll wait for 5 seconds. If the user is not doing anything by clicking going back to main page, it will automatically go. See, show you again. And it will directly go to main page after 5 seconds. But if he clicks instantly error page, okay, it will go directly, and still he has access to these nav bar. If we go wrong also, he can just directly go, okay, wrong page, I want to go about page. Yeah, that also will work. So this was about error page, on click, automatic redirecting, and every stuff. Yeah, so that's it in this part guys. Thank you.